first time, and I'm happy, absolutely happy. And the weather is a little humidity, and I think it's a beautiful country and beautiful color.
People, everything is colorful, and we enjoy. We have give a gift, and they're so nice. Thank you.
Yeah, ma'am, you came to India before this, or this is the first time?
Yes, this is the first time that I am come to Goa, and I will be in India. I'm from Iran. My name is Nargis, and this is our holiday. Our holiday about Nowruz. Nowruz is a traditional holiday for Iranian people. So thank you.
आज 2 फ्लाईट येता आमची फ्लाईट 6:30 घेवल्या आणि एक फ्लाईट 8 येता. So these flights are for the Nowruz holidays and from Iran, and you have 140 passengers coming in on the first flight and a similar capacity on the second flight. There will be 3 flights which will be from today to the 24th, another flight from the 24th to the 30th, and the last flight from the 30th to the 4th of April. So we hope they come again every year.
How many passengers are there in this flight?
140.